Welcome to Casa Billie. This is a Palm Springs getaway located 100 metres from the beach at Aldinga. Let's check it out. First up, we have the master bedroom. So beautiful with the arched window, all the natural light pouring in. We have a second bedroom, perfect for little children. If you've got a family. One of my favourite rooms is this pink bathroom. Check out the shower. We have the kitchen with this beautiful terrazzo stone bench top, cafe seating. They're really making use of all the wall space here. I am loving this design. We have our third bedroom. Perfect little getaway for even you and a couple of friends. Just want to appreciate this barn door. How stunning is this design? I feel like I have gone back in time with all the textures, and how nice is this little touch? They've even got Casa Billie on their towels. I'm gonna take you outside. We have this beautiful outdoor area with a barbecue. You can have a cookout with your friends. Lastly, we have this fire pit. You can definitely see myself sitting here under the stars with a vino.